Hello, welcome to igboclass.com. Today, we'll be learning about Igbo simple phrases. Ka anyị bido? Let's begin. The first on our list today is Welie aka nri gị. Welie aka nri gị, which means raise your right hand. Raise your right hand. Welie aka nri gị. You can join me. Welie aka nri gị. Welie, raise. Aka nri, right hand. Welie is translated as raise. Aka nri means your right hand. Aka nri, your right hand. So, welie aka nri gị, you raise your right hand. The second on our list today is Wetuo aka ekpe gị. Wetuo aka ekpe gị, which means bring down your left hand. Bring down your left hand. Wetuo aka ekpe gị. Bring down your left hand. Bring down your left hand. Wetuo means to bring down. Wetuo, to bring down. Aka ekpe, your left hand. So, aka nri is right hand. Aka ekpe, left hand. Welie, to raise. Wetuo, to bring down. We have nọrọ ala. Nọrọ ala. Nọrọ ala, which means sit down. Sit down. Nọrọ ala, sit down. So you can tell your sister today, if she is standing, nọrọ ala, which means to sit down. Then the next one is gbaya nkịtị. Gbaya nkịtị, which means to ignore her, him or it. So ya is a pronoun which can be him, her or it. Gbaya nkịtị, to ignore someone. If someone is talking, if someone is speaking to you in a way or in a manner that you don't like, in order not to reply rudely, you do what? Gbaya nkịtị, you ignore the person. Gbaya nkịtị, ignore her, ignore him, or ignore it. The next phrase that we have is achọghị m ịma. Achọghị m ịma, which means I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Achọghị m ịma. Achọghị m ịma, I don't want to know. We move over to rie nri a. Rie nri a, which means eat this food. Eat this food. Rie nri a, eat this food. I know that this particular phrase will interest you so much. Eat this food. Rie nri a. Then the next one is umie. Umie, which means shift. Shift. It might interest you to know that many people do not know the Igbo version of the word shift. They normally use shift to olum, which is very incorrect. It is umie. Umie, shift. So the next time you want to use the word shift in Igbo, no longer use shift to olum, rather use umie. Umie. The next on our list is gente. Gente. Gente, which means listen. Listen. So as you're listening to me now, ị m ntị. Gente, which means listen. The next that we have is mechie ụzọ. Mechie ụzọ, which means close the door. Close the door. Mechie, close. Ụzọ, door. Mechie, close. Ụzọ, the door. So you can substitute it with any other item like akwụkwọ. Mechie akwụkwọ, close the book. Mechie ọnụ. Mechie ọnụ gị, close your mouth. Then the next one is mee ọsịsọ. Mee ọsịsọ, which means hurry up. Hurry up. Mee ọsịsọ, hurry up. So if you are going for an event and maybe somebody is delaying you, you tell the person mee ọsịsọ, which means the person should hasten up whatever they are doing in order to join you. Mee ọsịsọ, hurry up. The next one is gaa ihu. Gaa ihu. Ihu also can be used as front. Gaa ihu, which means move forward. Move forward. So ihu is basically anything that deals with the front part of life or the front aspect of anything. Ihu, forward. Ga, to move. Ga ihu, move forward. Ga ihu. Ga ihu, move forward. Then the last one on our list today is laghachi azụ. Laghachi azụ. Laghachi azụ, which means move backward. Move backward. So we can simply say ga ihu, you're telling the person to move forward. Laghachi azụ, you're telling the person to move backward. Ga ihu, move forward. Laghachi azụ, move backwards. That brings us to the end of our lesson today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I am Teacher Chiamaka. See you next time. Kodi.